Are you making the worst mistake when attracting customers online? In this video, I want to share what is the worst mistake that business owners make when attracting customers online. That's coming right now. Hey guys, what's up? This is Daniel with Smart Local Connect, helping you attract all of the customers you'll ever need online. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you what is the worst mistake that you might be doing when attracting customers online. And that is not collecting email addresses. Now the question is, how important is email to your marketing strategy? The answer, very, very important. According to the Direct Marketing Association, 50% of consumers prefer to hear weekly from companies. Now, 91% of those consumers check their email at least once a day. And most consumers spend 138% more than people who don't get offers online. Also, 85% of businesses consider email marketing as one of the most effective customer acquisition tactics. It really costs almost nothing to send an email. Now, how email marketing does against paying advertisement. Let's say if you're paying for Google Ads or Facebook ads, the minute you stop paying for those ads, that's when your traffic stops. That's when the phones stop ringing or your people stop coming into your door. So you have to always keep spending to bring those people in. But with email marketing, you can always reach out to those people that have been your customers already or they are interested on your business, and you can reach out and bring them back. You can say, hey, listen, come in the next couple of days and you're gonna get a 10% off, or come this weekend and you're gonna have 20% off, or come and take advantage of this sale. Whatever, you can actually reach out on and on and on and bring business for pretty much for free. So how can you implement email marketing in your business? First of all, you have to sign up for a service. It can be SendLane and MailChimp, which are for free, or you can pay a little bit for Aweber, which I use personally, and ConvertKit, and many other ones. The idea is to start right now collecting those email addresses. And how do you do that? You have to give something probably for free, like a coupon, like a 15% coupon, 20% coupon, 10%, whatever it is. Maybe a free video, maybe a free guide, anything that you can give in exchange for their email address. And once you get that email address, that's it. Game on. You can send them every promotion you can, and you can attract that customer to come to your store, to come to your business, and to be a customer that can come back on and on and on, thanks to you, to your ability to bring them back without paying anything for advertisement. All right? So there you go. That was the worst mistake that you can make, not to have email marketing on your business. So once again, this was Daniel with Smart Local Connect, helping you attract all of the customers you'll ever need online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.